Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Deb and I create videos on beauty, on fashion, on food, on traveling, on pretty much everything that I love. So, welcome. Today we're actually going to be doing a beauty unboxing video. So I am subscribed to Ipsy, to Birchbox, and to Macy's, the Macy's beauty box, which I absolutely love. That's like one of my favorite ones. So I love unboxing these, and I've actually loved like watching what other people get, because sometimes you get different stuff. I'm like, oh my god, I didn't get that. I wish I did. But yeah, I love actually doing these videos because it's super exciting and I love makeup. So if you love makeup and skincare and all beauty related stuff, then definitely keep on watching. So the first one that we're going to unbox is the, sorry, thought I was gonna sneeze. The Ipsy one, and it always comes in this very hot pink bag. Which I have no problem with hot pink, obviously, since my cup is hot pink as well. I should have definitely opened it before I started the video, but you know. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Okay, so pulling out this cute little purple heart bag, and they always come in bags like this. It has a little insert with information on it. And then the first thing that I'm pulling out of here is this Tarte High Performing Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. I actually love Tarte's blush, so I'm really excited. I might have this color, or maybe not. Quirky. Quirky? Ooh, super cute. I'll go ahead and swatch it. Oh, interesting. So it's like a very dusty pink, if anything. Super cute. Love it. I like trying different blushes, so that's definitely a pro. Okay, moving along, we have this Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Okay. Oh, from CIATÉ. CIATÉ? Is that how you say it? CIATÉ? Need it a little bit more light. I feel like that's how you say it. I'm not sure. Okay, well, I'll definitely be trying this because I have my go-to translucent powder. I either use the Laura Mercier, or I've actually been using the Hourglass one as of late, and I've really been loving it. So, good competition, okay? Okay, next thing we have here is this is an eyeshadow, Pinkies Up. Is that the brand? I'm not really sure, because it says like Pinkies Up. Maybe Pinkies Up is the actual color itself. This is really hard to get out. Okay, and it just looks like a duochrome or metallic. Well, that's actually really pretty and glittery. Okay, so it looks like it has like purple flecks in it. I don't know if that's gonna come off on this camera, but it is very pigmented, which can sometimes be a good thing, sometimes be a bad thing. Why can it be a bad thing? Because when you put it on, then by the end of the day, it's gonna be like all on your cheeks. That's only sometimes. Okay, next up we have this SKYN ICELAND Solutions for Stressed Skin Brightening Eye Serum. All about that skincare, guys. I'm in that age. Early 30s. That means that I need to take care of my skin. I mean, I've been taking care of it, but like, take care of it, you know what I mean? Okay, So this is the Juicy Beauty, the Organic Solution Phyto Pigments Illuminating Primer Base. I'll just have you read it instead. There you go. There you go. Go ahead and read that. It's a lot to read. And that's what I got in my Ipsy. Pretty good stuff. I'm pretty happy with it. So, moving along, can you please? Thank you, sir. To Birchbox. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw everything in here. Moving along to Birchbox. So Birchbox always comes in a box. And sometimes it's hard to open, but that's okay, because I like challenges. Swear to God. Here we go, here we go. Okay. Well, I'm just making a hot mess, ain't I? Here we go. Okay. Did I mention this was for the month of November? Probably didn't, because I wanted to jump right into the video, but this is for November, just in case I did not mention it. So November, here we go. November Birchbox. Ooh, loving this stuff. Okay, so the first things that I'm pulling out of here is this liquid shimmer shadow. It actually looks like they gave me two of the same thing, liquid shimmer shadow. I'm not mad at it, I'll just give one to my mom. Okay, cool, cool, cool. And, ooh, that's really pretty. Liquid shimmer shadow. So that's what it looks like. And just ignore the whole glitter mess that I have on my hand. And you see? Really pretty. I like that. Let's wipe that off immediately though, because I don't want that to stick to my skin. Next up, we have this Lise Watier Dramatic Intense 3D Volume Mascara. So I've been using mascara because I was gonna go get my lashes done, but then my lash lady and I had some conflicts scheduling wise and didn't work out. Then I went on vacation to Chicago. It was a whole thing. But hopefully for the month of December, because I get busy, she gets busy, hopefully we realign our schedules so that we can go ahead and get me fabulous and lashed. But yes, okay, moving along. Oh, I think I have this. Cicapair? Cicapair? I'm not really sure. Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment by Dr. Jart. And I am a huge fan of Dr. Jart, so I love it. And then these last two things are shampoo and conditioner from the brand, I think it's Davines? Not sure. But let's see how it smells. Ooh, it's purple. Is this purple shampoo? It sure enough is. For natural and colored hair, silver. Huh? Yeah. It looks like purple shampoo, guys. Oh, yes. Smells good. If I could put this back on here, it would be great. Guys, thank you. Okay. So that was Birchbox, and now, oh, before I move along, it always comes with an insert of all the information, how much the things cost and everything. I'll link everything down below so that you can see it. Don't worry, it'll be there for you. Okay, last but not least, we have my Macy's Beauty Box, which is my favorite one. Let's dive in. Okay. Ooh. What's this? What's going on here? Okay. So first I am looking at this. It says, oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we send instead. I've never had something like that for Macy's. Okay, because the booklet said that they were gonna send something, and they always actually send a booklet with all the information and a coupon that has either $5 or $10 off, depending on the month. And then it has all the information on the actual products. I love it. Okay, so this is the bag that came for November, and it's always wrapped in pink paper. Okay, let's dive in. Ooh, is this underwear? Underwear? I'm wondering. This is a bikini underwear. Yes, it is. Okay, never got underwear in my Macy's beauty box before. That's very different. Not sure how to feel about that because I'm very particular about my underwear. But moving along to the other things. Okay, so first up we have this Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Gel. Ooh, love me some Clinique. Then we have this Balancing Body Cream, Indian Rose and Himalayan Honey. Let's see how it smells. Oh my God. You guys, it smells so good. This smells amazing. I'm actually gonna leave that out because I'm probably gonna lather my body in that. Then we have Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. The tiniest little stick ever. And they always send some type of perfume. Ooh, okay, they sent 2 perfume thingies. They're both Dior, and I'm pretty sure one's for men and one is for women, which is pretty cool because then I give the men one to Freddie, and we did that last time, and he liked, I think it was a Jimmy Choo one that I had in my box, and he ended up purchasing it because he liked it. Pretty cool. This other thing that I'm bringing, that I'm picking up, is a Shiseido Modern Matte Powder Lipstick. Ooh. I wonder if it's red, because of all the red packaging on it. Ooh, okay. It's like a wine color. I might leave this for my mom since she likes these colors a lot, so I'll put it away for her. Okay, and then, oh God, I love, love, love felt tip liners. Love them. This is IT Cosmetics Superhero, IT Cosmetics Superhero Liner. This looks amazing. And I love IT Cosmetics. I wonder what it is that I didn't get from here. It looks like I got everything in the booklet. So I don't know what's supposed to be missing, if anything at all. That's really weird. But anyway, so that is everything that I got in my beauty subscription boxes. I love beauty and I love trying new things, and I love the little sample size of them so that I can travel with them and just take them anywhere with me. And while I'm traveling, I'm trying new stuff. Also, I do go ahead and try some stuff on my Insta stories as well. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me so that you can check that out too. I'll leave a little link somewhere. But yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you got something that was like different in your boxes, go ahead and share that cool stuff down below in the comments. And make sure that you're subscribed so that you don't miss any of my videos, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.